Okay, what's up, guys? I'm back with the Henry Stickmin collection. And last episode, when we stole a diamond, I got over 100, not likes, views. Well, and 3 likes in 8 hours. That almost doubles my other videos. Thank you. Someone might say it's only 100 views, and 3 likes, but that's a lot for me. Thank you very much. And I have a challenge for you guys. If this video hits something similar, let's say it is 100 views. No, actually, no, it shouldn't be views. No, 5 likes within a week, I'll be incredibly surprised and be very happy, and then I guess another episode. To be perfectly honest, I'll make another episode regardless. This is really fun for me. Let's rob some top hats. Oh right, well, infiltrating the airship, not robbing them. Well, let's infiltrate this probably not government-sanctioned airship. I love their theme. Ooh. Come on, Chuck, let's do this.
Well, look who finally decided to wake up.
What the fuck are
You've
you?
been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect
Alright.
for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty. We just
That
can't
is a
prove any crimes.
beautiful mustache.
You'll
Both
be
of these
going to
guys.
the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, and even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job
Thank you.
right, and we'll drop all charges against you.
Alright.
Charlie here will be bringing you close to
Let's
the
do this,
airship.
Chuck.
The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey,
It looks like he's just gliding away. Earpiece, cannonball, grapple gun, sticky hand. Actually, I might split this into 2 episodes, because this one is way bigger than the rest, from what I remember. You know? Let's do something sensible. Earpiece. Talk to me, Chuck.
This is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up.
Chuck, Charles,
there's a guy
Charlie.
Down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
Off to a good start. Okay, let's see. With Henry Stickmin logic, knock is probably going to work. Actually, no, vacuum is just... Well, C4, it's technological, it's an explosive, it's gonna kill him somehow. Acid. It's acid, he's stupid. He has mashed potato for brains. He's gonna kill himself somehow. Or at the very least, severely cripple himself. Which is just, it kind of makes sense, though. Like, it's an entrance, you knock. What else are you gonna do with a vacuum? So, actually, yeah, sure, just knock. Oh, give me your bio. Good point. Girl Scout cookies probably would have been a good idea. Also, what if he wants to join? No, did they change that? The animation? Okay, then, Huh. Yes, yeah, he probably should have been, like, ahead of it. Like, what's the word? Upwind? But he's downwind, so... Acid. Oh, come on. I can't stand acid either. So what's he gonna do with it? Sure. Yeah, poor guy. He just, sure.
Hey, good job there. Oh, so you should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation.
Yeah.
Alright, gentlemen. We've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas?
That guy looks like a cop. Oh, can
Right,
I,
so if we go up to 3...
oh, accident.
Hey, you there. What do you think you're doing? It's Smith, right?
How can they
What
tell?
are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labour. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Go ahead. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief.
So, like, when they find out that Smith was already there, it's just gonna be very confusing. Also, escape pods that go, like, to specific locations? Huh. Yeah, escape pods usually just, they pop out, and you go somewhere down, just safely. It's technological, it's gonna kill him. There's an alternate dimension with a flick of a switch. Like, what dimensions? First dimension. Got it. What's he gonna do with the glue?
No, we can't do that.
He's Spider-Man with glue fingers.
We totally got enough power. What do you think?
Why didn't he just use the plungers from back in the prison?
I'm not really sure what to say.
I feel like that would have been easier. Also, I'm just realizing
Doors
I
jammed
forgot
again.
to oof.
Oh, hey, you see
Yeah, I
that
forgot
record
to
sign?
get the bios of
Where
the
it says
government
records?
people.
That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get
There's a
across that
vault
gap.
behind him.
Huh?
It's Charles. I know Charles has been helpful so far, telling us there's a guy down there, but I don't trust Charles.
Alright, here I come.
For good reason. That's Charles' entire shtick. That's
Yeah,
super
I have a stinger that
techy.
can manipulate gravity. Should be able to get you to float across.
Let me just... Wait.
Wait, is it increase gravity? Or is it make him go up?
Did it work?
No! I rather need a spine. And mine is currently shattered. This is technological. But... I don't get where the platform's coming from.
Okay, let me just, teleport this thing in here for you.
I'm pretty sure that's a reference. That might be a reference to something, but I don't know. Jeez. Well, grab onto Robotail's Roboballs and
Right,
go
here
on
goes.
across. Okay, almost dropped him, but not quite. Oh, give me your bio.
I don't think that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
Understands this.
I think he's German. That's hitting.
Alright, get to bring out the big
That's
gun.
hitting Henry too. I guarantee it.
Hey, should be good to go now.
Oh yeah, he didn't hit the door. I mean, he hit the other guy. Yeah, I don't really know. All of these are mildly techy. Though that's just wrong. Sure, mind control.
Wow, this guy really is a moron. Can't believe he doesn't know how to open a door.
They use paper slips? Shouldn't they use like plastic cards or something? Something a bit more durable? How about bone melt? Oh wait, but then Henry can just do it. So that's a success. Yeah.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or
Oh,
we'd
wait,
be in
give me
a
your
lot
bio.
of trouble.
Wait, what?
Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess.
Not now, Chuck. But so a bug flying propeller, that's pretty cool. Wait, I need to go back. Remote access.
Alright, hacked into their security system. Should be
Is he
able
gonna
to
turn off the
open the door
turbines or
from
something
here.
on accident? What is that even for? Also, if they're gonna design that, why don't they just remove the railing in front of it here? It's like, now they need to fix the railing.
Oh
Right.
man, I remember this.
This is a quick time event.
Think nobody knows about this, or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Falcon kick. Put a bit too much oomph into it, didn't you? So you can't Falcon punch, but you can
Man,
Falcon
I
kick.
remember this. Think nobody knows about this, or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
I'm just noticing this guy has a pretty cool hat. To be perfectly honest, I've tried throwing one of those. It's not that easy. It's still like 3 feet in front of you. Why don't you just shiv him with it?
Oh man, I remember this.
Wait,
Think nobody
but the
knows
last
about
option
this,
was
or
like
we'd be
a
in
spider
lot
on a
of
stick.
trouble.
You're trying to scare him.
Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Whack him. Thank you.
Alright, you got some evidence. Whoa, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of
Why
guys,
not?
and there's lots of guns.
Fair
all I'd
enough.
say.
Thank you. So he's good at recon.
It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct.
Electrified air ducts.
Alright, I've hacked into their
Why?
power grid. What do you want me to do?
This is new. What's this a reference to? Someone, please tell me. In the comments, I am confused. Sure.
Okay. I don't understand what that means.
Barnyard Blitz. Me neither, to be perfectly honest. That's just gonna get him killed. That's gonna make the entire airship go down.
I'm sorry, I just thought you needed some help, is all.
Wait, so is Charles like FaceTiming him somehow? Man, his brains are even more mashed potatoed.
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What
I
do you
mean,
want
like
me to do?
he got his face got all scrunched up, and like Charles understood.
Okay.
Down goes the airship. I highly doubt it.
Alright,
I highly doubt the landing gear has power.
What do you want me to do?
Sure, reroute it
Okay,
somewhere.
I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine.
Wait, isn't that one of those bulbs that produces a lot more heat than
Alright,
usual?
Henry, you're almost there.
Okay, that guy just got
So
roasted.
Just open the bay doors and I'll,
Tank in the
get you on
box.
chopper.
That guy has a really cool top hat. I like the top hat clan.
What are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down
I like
in
this
Cargo
pair.
Bay.
His eyes just. Woo. Who has the sleeping gas? Who has the flashbang? I mean, it's an explosive. It's gonna kill him. Okay, so Chuck, Charlie, whatever, has the banana. Oh god. Why didn't they just do that from the start? Who cares about getting evidence? Just murk them. Okay, flashbang. So Chuck has the stuff. So sleeping gas. Wanna just go behind him? Yeah. And he got shot. Force. I don't like force gun. It's technological. I mean, it would make no sense if Chuck had the force gun, so Henry must have it.
Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
Ooh. Nice.
What's going?
Ooh, right hand man. I remember a little bit, but not all that much from Captain Sauce's videos. Government-supported private investigator. Yeah, he did exactly what he was supposed to. Now then, let's steal some shit. Okay, now... How about grapple gun? It's blowing. The bomb is gonna blow him like clear off. Why didn't you go like on the other end? Like there's more distance, I guess. I don't know. Like, this is technological. Like, joy buzzer on that, it just explode or something. So, it shut off all the power. Strong joy buzzer. So it's weight or expanding foam. Weight is just really simple. And I don't see anything that could go wrong. Expanding foam, on the other hand, I imagine him getting yeeted off. Yup. Do not shake well. But why does it say do not shake well? Shouldn't it just do not shake? You just wait. I didn't even wait all that long. Give me your bio. That's a slightly different hat. Ooh, key. Okay, let's check out the computer. Torrented movies. No, not. It's Civ 5. I have Civ 5, and I start playing at like 5 a.m. and then I stop playing, and it's 8 p.m. Like, you start playing the game, and you will not stop for hours. But it is really fun. I'm pretty sure I actually made a video on Civ 5, like a really long time ago, like a month ago. Looks like an escape pod, because it only has a down button, and we're like near the bottom of the ship, from what I can tell. Yeah. So, into the vent we go. Okay, that seems incredibly unsafe. We are stealing that. Oh, now we're on the other side. Okay, leap is gonna work. It's so stupid it has to. Teleporter. Yeah, I get it. It's gonna screw you over, man. Okay, that's worse than usual. Because at least you could break yourself out of concrete. Well, have fun. What's he gonna do with a magic pencil? The fuck is that? Nut shot? Nut shot crawler. Yeah, I've never heard of it. Stretch chewies. It makes you stretchy. Wait, that really grinds my gears. Wait, what's it say down there? ROFL. I forgot that. So what's gonna happen? How is he gonna leap across that? Turbulence it is. Oh, wait. Dave.
Think you could let me out of here?
That's what the key is for.
Oh,
Hi,
thank
Dave.
you.
Oh, the retro glove. I know this is a real thing. I doubt it's going to work. You look like an idiot. Dude. You're not hacking this. What the f... What? Oh, that... God, I hate the puns. What are you doing? That's quite shocking. I'm not in your current situation. I can't speak. I bet you can't wait to go ohm. I can barely even remember what ohms are. Jesus Christ. That looks like electricity, so I'm betting the same thing happens. That's ice. Oh, it's a D&D thing. Yeah, a D&D wizard won't last 5 seconds. In any situation. So how's vaporizer gonna work? Nice. It's just paper now. Oh, he's still sentient. Oh, Dave! What's that? Oh, flash drive. Wait, is that Scout? Oh man, he's goofy looking. Oh, that's a Halo reference. That's a TF2 reference. Mario. I don't know the rest. When have you ever successfully manipulated gravity? You can probably find it if you fly down. I guess. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm just gonna get this claw pack. Oh, so it's like electric force field? And it fritzed out the claw. Huh. So won't this just like explode or something? Or sure. Oh wait, I remember. These.
Hey, stop right there. What's going on?
Okay.
Looks like he set off some sort of alarm in the vault. What? He's going rogue? Alright,
So,
move to plan B.
So
Cone
they can just
reinforcements are
monitor
moving.
everything. I guess.
Yeah, this is Jeffrey. I got him right
Hi,
here.
Jeffrey.
Guys don't need to
Ooh, missile. That's 3.5 concussions. 4 concussions. Okay, they're too far away for. What are you gonna fly away Mary Poppins style? Oh yeah, he actually is. Sick. Oof. There's 2 references, because I know this is Fallout. And propane tank. Wait, how does the shell help him? I mean, he didn't get shot, but he got shredded instead. I'm just gonna guess. I did not think that. Oh. I tell you what. Propane's good for the grill. Not for flying. No, but if you've reached this far, like, throw me a like and a sub, please. I mean, it's free. Oh, I'll get back to this. I say power armor. Oh, like epic music. I bet $2.50. There's gonna be an epic cinematic. Oh, there's a Center for Chaos Control. And the Ruby grew back.
Let's go. Come on now.
He's Naruto running. Oh wait, Spine Sniper.
Wilson, we've got to get out of here.
There are way too many
We're not built to deal with this, man.
bios for me to get.
Evacuate everyone. I can take care of this.
Oh wait, that's the flash drive I got from where Dave fell. Prototype Deb L cut Mark 1 and a scratched out disc. Wait, don't discs like not work if you scratch them out or something? Well, I'd assume this would be on top. Like the bottom part's what's like red. Or is it scratched out like, because it doesn't work? Gaben. What, are they gonna send Steam support after them? What the hell's that? What's Gaben even stand for? Alright then. Alright. Then... Oh, DEB. Dark Energy Bomb. Oh, so just everyone's going to die. I want to get as many bios as possible. You got shitted on? No. Give me your bios. No, that's sad. He was so dedicated to his job. That is really sad. What the hell is L cut? Laser cut. Got it. So is this gonna be like from Marvel Age of Ultron? Is it gonna crash down? Or is it just staying up there? I'm gonna try this. 1214. Who's Carl? So, prototype, I guess. Whoa. I cut off. I think that's its door. Huh. I can even get the bios if they're dust.
Now forget
It's
about
nice.
it. We've got to retreat, or else the Topic clan will be history.
Huh? Why is he setting down? Oh, he's taking a leak. Well, Henry took his suit.
Orders, Captain?
Come on, Chuck. We're your buddy.
Let him go. What? We
Huh.
got what we came for.
Just,
He's
yeah, I
not
mean,
worth the
top
trouble.
hats are, like, crashed. I feel like you should have just chucked in the banana bomb. Pure-blooded thief. That font reminds me of something. I've been recording for 27 minutes. So, yeah, that's it, I guess. Have a nice day, and I'm going to struggle for the next half hour to make a thumbnail that is actually nice.